Welcome back, you gorgeous weirdos. I'm so glad you're here. So, Modelones reached out. You know how much I love Modelones. They wanted to send me this new gel lamp and a couple of other goodies. So, I'm going to show you all the things today. This lamp could not be more adorable. First of all, it's a gooseneck. Second of all, it's rechargeable. Third of all, it's portable. And fourth, and my favorite part of this, it is a full power 48 watt LED UV. So, you can use this literally for anything. It is not a flash cure. You can cure your nails completely with this lamp. It is so freaking cute. I cannot stand it. Cannot stand it. It's adorable. It works great. I'm going to show you how to use it today. They also sent over their jelly extensions in the stiletto, I believe. And they also sent me over some brand new gel polishes. And the mani that I've created using all of these products is so freaking cute and perfect for the upcoming fall Thanksgiving season. So if that's something that you are wanting to see, stick around. I'm going to show you how to do all the things. These are the extensions they sent over. They are very thin. I love them. They're very flexible, perfect for press-ons if that's your thing, or for gel extensions if you want to go ahead and go down that route. I'm going to make press-ons today. I've just been really liking my natural shorties lately, so I'm not going to install the extensions, but if you want to see how I do that, I'll leave a video up in the eye for you. I've gotten my extensions on my press-on nail stand. I've had a lot of questions about what I use to actually adhere the press-ons. I use nail tabs, the same ones that I would use to apply them to the nail. Nothing crazy. You don't need extra products. And we're going to get right into this manicure. So I'm going to start off with this chocolate brown color. I've been so into like the cocos and the chocolate browns lately. Is it the season? Probably, but I just love them so much. So I'm going to go ahead and get this on the entire nail. And you're going to see how beautifully opaque this is, but also how well it self-levels. I'm leaving this all in real time so you can see exactly how fast it levels itself out. I love Modelones gels. They're just so good. And I'm going to go ahead and give that a full 30-second cure, and we're going to do a second coat. So that is now fully cured, and we're going to do a second coat. Does it need it? Probably not. These are crystal clear extensions, so this opacity over a clear extension is absolutely mind-blowing. But because I'm a creature of habit, we're going to throw on a second coat, let that level out, and then cure it for another 30 seconds before we move on to the second color. And then I'm going to show you how to do the cutest little pumpkin. It's a textured pumpkin. I know, it's so freaking cute. I can't stand it. Stick around. So I'm going to go ahead and get started with the second color. This is the beautiful, it's like a sheer baby pink, perfect for a French manicure, perfect for a lip gloss nail or that clean girl aesthetic type manicure. If that's what you're into these days, I know it's all over the place. This would be the perfect color for you. I feel like these colors are very suitable for a whole lot of skin tones and skin undertones. So if you are into these very neutral and fall type colors, I think this gel set would be absolutely perfect for you. I'm going to make sure to leave everything linked down below in case you see something that you feel like grabbing. But this color, I didn't know, I didn't have a direction. Okay, so when I sit down to do a manicure, whether it's for a sponsored video like this one or for just for fun or whatever, I never have a game plan, ever. I feel like that's where my creativity kind of blossoms, if you will. When I have no plan, I just sit down, I let the colors speak to me, you know, metaphorically. Things don't talk to me, typically. But I never have a plan. And for this, it was kind of fly by the seat of my pants. I didn't know what I was doing. To this point, still no idea what I'm planning on doing. I know I wanted to do some sort of nail art because the colors in this little gel collection are so beautiful and they work so well together. Still no game plan though, but you're gonna see what I came up with later. I know that I've done pumpkins probably 100 times, but I feel like for the entirety of the fall season, really from September through November, I love pumpkins. I just feel like they're Halloween, they're Thanksgiving, they're very fall to me. I know Halloween is over, but just literally yesterday, I was heading to the mall with my kids, per usual on the weekends, as I'm doing this voiceover at least, and there's still places that are selling pumpkins. And I'm like, see, it's not just Halloween. It's not just, that time of year. Pumpkins are all fall for me. So I'm going to show you how to do the textured pumpkin. If you've seen the like pearl swirl manicures that I've done in the past, that's the same exact technique we're going to use. And they came out so freaking cute. I can't stand it. I'm so glad I did these. I'm going to do another hand probably because this might be my Thanksgiving set. It's so perfect. It's just so perfect. So I'm going to finish up this second coat. I'm going to let it level itself out a little bit. Again, these take no effort to level. There's no flipping upside down, no hassle with these whatsoever. They know where to go. And I super appreciate that because that is less work that I have to do for a manicure. This whole manicure from start to finish took me probably a half an hour to do, which is insane. I can't believe how fast it went. So I'm going to go ahead and give this a full cure. And then we're going to do the nail art. So we're ready for nail art. I've got two colors on my palette. I've got this beautiful, like pearlescent, nudie type shimmer. I'm going to use that first. And I'm going to do kind of a heart shape at the bottom or free edge of the nail. Not going to be a full heart. It's just going to be a bottomless pumpkin, if you will. And then I'm going to fill that in with that pearly type color. Then I'm going to cure it for 30 seconds before we go in with the second coat and texturize it. So now I'm going to texturize the pumpkin. Now I'm going to use the brush that is attached to the gel bottle because I no longer have to make sure I have an outline, and you don't have to cover up the whole thing. As much as possible is fine because you're not really going to see. I love these pearly metallic colors because they really do a great job of hiding imperfections. But now we have the second coat on. I'm going to take my dotting tool, a teeny tiny little dotting tool. You can use a toothpick or an orange wood stick, whatever you have handy. And I'm going to start texturizing that wet layer of gel with just some swirls. It doesn't have to be anything pretty and perfect because we're going to add detail lines later. We're just going to give it a little bit of texture, and then we're going to cure it for 30 seconds. Now we get to the fun part, which is where we bring this little pumpkin to life because it doesn't look like a pumpkin yet, right? It looks kind of like a bottomless heart at the edge of a nail. So I'm going to take my liner brush with that deep chocolate brown color, and I'm going to outline the top arches of that pumpkin and then add in the detail lines, making those curves in the center of the pumpkin, and then I'm going to cure for 30 seconds. Now for the finishing touch, we're just going to give this pumpkin a little nubby stem. You can do whatever you want. You want to make it a big stem, you want to add little swirly vines, you go for it, do whatever you want to do, but I'm keeping it super simple. So little nubby stem it is. We're going to cure for 30 seconds, and I'm going to throw on a top coat. Then I'm going to show you how I install these as press-ons. Okay, so remember what I told you I used nail tabs in the beginning of the video? Same exact nail tabs. I'm gonna stick them on my nails. And that's it. If you want to glue these on, you totally can, but I just find for me, because I don't want to keep a manicure on super long, I might keep these on for a day or two. The tabs work perfectly. I'm just going to get that adhered to my nail. I did cleanse off any oils from my nails before I put on the tabs because tabs won't stick to oil. And now all I'm going to do is remove the tips from the nail stand and press them on, literally. That is it. And they look so beautiful, especially because the extensions that Model Ones has, they're so thin, they look very natural. They don't look like chunky press-on nails, especially at the back end. They're just pretty seamless and beautiful, and they worked so well. So I'm going to get the rest of these on, and then you'll see the whole finished look. So I'm just going to take a little bit of alcohol and remove the fingerprints that I left all over these beautiful nails. And this is the finished look. I could not be more obsessed. I love these. I love these colors. The color combos are gorgeous. Thank you so much to Model Ones for sponsoring today's video, sending me all these stuffs and things to play with. Thank you guys for spending some of your day with me today. I hope the rest of the day is as beautiful as you are, and I'll catch you in the next one. Love you. Bye.